guys, it's Coca-Cola Kid, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make slime. So the ingredients you're going to need is borax and water. You're going to need some glue, and you're going to need a container and a spoon to mix it with. First, you're going to grab your glue. Give me a second. Okay, it's open. It's open now. Okay, so you're just gonna pour some glue to the container, like that. Okay. And then, if you want food coloring, in this case I don't want to use food coloring, but if you want to add food coloring or glitter or whatever you want to add to it, you can do that. But I'm just making classic slime. Now you're gonna grab your borax and water, and you're just gonna keep on slowly adding borax as you mix it. Slowly add it. Keep adding. I need to add a little bit more. This might take a while. Please stand by. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. I don't know what I forgot. It's glue and borax and water, right? Maybe we should add color. I don't know. Okay. Alright, now we're going to add some borax. I think I'm going to add a little bit less. I don't know if that was the problem. Maybe it was. Maybe I should, I don't know. I don't know what I'm forgetting. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Please stand by. Okay, we're getting some progress. We just had to add more borax to that because it didn't have enough in it. It's really watery, so I'm trying to make it less watery. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. Might take a little bit longer. We're gonna keep on adding borax. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Okay, I think it's ready to move around. It's just like got a lot of liquid on it. Oh gosh. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Uh-oh, I think we added too much borax, so we'll probably have to add lotion. Like if this happens, just add lotion. It'll make it stretchy and good again. But this keeps on squirting everywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna move this around for a little bit. So towel got in it, but that's not gonna hurt it. So we're gonna add a little bit of lotion. Move it around in there. See if that'll help it. If not, then this is just gonna be some really, really hard slime. Just put that right there. My hands are hairy now. It should make it like better. Oh gosh. It keeps dropping. I'm gonna do this over here. I don't know if it's really helping it. Like, yeah. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. So, keeps on falling everywhere because like it happens the same thing with like shaving cream. When you put shaving cream in slime, like it moves all around. It's gonna take a while. Please stand by. Yeah, it's really hard to fix, but I mean, it's slime. We gotta test. Is it bouncy? No. Yeah, it is bouncy. Is it stretchy? No, not at all. Not at all. Roll some cinematics. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this DIY slime video gone wrong. And if you want another slime video, let's get this video to 10 likes. And peace.